Hello everybody, welcome to our tutorial today. As previously in the last tutorial, we showed you how to load seismic 2D and 3D into Petrel. Now we would go ahead to make intersection line or arbitrary line. Arbitrary line means you can show any unstructured line as a cross section on seismic, on 3D seismic. Now we loaded already the survey. Then we can go for seismic interpretation and choose tool, arbitrary polyline on 2D window. Just click sporadically in anywhere, and if you finish that, just double click. You notice the last tab generated general intersection line or arbitrary line. Now we are going to show this line on any 2D or 3D map. Let's go for 2D or 3D. Okay, first we can go for interpretation window. Okay, and choose, yes, this one is generated intersection arbitrary line view all. It's to show all the whole data. If you want to see it in 3D, just go for 3D. Yes, this line generated in 3D, you can rotate and move and do whatever, any processing that you want. Yes. The next tutorial we can show you how to make the tracer or line header for 2D seismic. Okay, follow us. Thank you for watching.